Hello, my name is Antoine and I'm the founder, president, and CEO of DBGM. And I live in New York City, but I'm originally from Guyana. I actually do like Jamaicans, and one of the things I remember about Jamaica is its history. Because as a Guyanese studying Caribbean history, I was extremely proud of the Maroons of Jamaica who fled the occupied areas into the mountains and there lived a version of the life that they were accustomed to. I've since come to like and respect a number of Jamaicans, and especially their foods, their music, and a lot about the language and the way the Jamaicans speak. I hope that one day Jamaica will be able to love me as I am and accept me as I am, just as it is able to accept those in their community who are different. I hope that one day Jamaicans will be able to accept their own people for who they are, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity, or what they look like, how they sound, who they believe in, and who they don't believe in. I hope that one day Jamaica will be able to move away from the British colonialist mindset, and recognize that as a people, they are stronger without the colonial influence. So I would say, big up, love up Jamaica, and here's to Jamaica and the people of Jamaica.